Well, it's time for a partner session by Genesys, our cloud contact center partner, in which we learn all about building a future-ready BPO using cloud technology. And to elucidate on the same, we are joined by Mr. Satish Annamalai, Senior Principal Business Consultant, Asia Genesys. So let's hear what he has to say.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the ET BPO Summit. I am Satish Annamalai, heading the business consulting practice for Genesys across South Asia. Genesys is the global leader in cloud customer experience and contact center solutions. And we orchestrate more than 70 billion customer experiences in organizations across 100 different countries and help them to deliver empathetic experiences at scale. My session today is on building a future-ready BPO using cloud. And I'm going to talk about how BPOs can adapt and evolve in these uncertain circumstances, enhance employee engagement, deliver remote experiences, and exceed customer expectations. The world dramatically changed last year, and we are still recovering from it. The impact was felt across regions, industries, geographies, and cut across all demographics. Not all changes were negative, though. Most of us learned new ways of working, socializing, exercising, and many of us picked up new skills online. In the CX space, we looked at what the research says, and analysts predict a dramatic increase in people working remotely in digital and virtual interactions. The key question for us is which of these trends are here to stay and which of these will fade away as we get back into normalcy. And research is pretty clear here too. Most of these trends are only going to accelerate as we go into 2022 and beyond. Looking more specifically at BPOs, we took some research from NASSCOM, which highlighted the transformations underway in the BPO industry. Consumers have embraced digital channels and companies are scrambling to offer them services across their various segments and channels. The CXOs are prioritizing digital spends within their technology budgets, and the broad acceptance of remote work around the world provides a further push to outsourcing. So the BPO market is definitely expanding. Speed has become the new buying factor, much more than cost. CXOs are demanding fast execution, even as they're allocating budgets. Months to deliver and not years is the new mantra. Apart from speed, they are demanding outcomes as well. Fixed price contracts are trending down and consumption or outcome-based pricing is up. Last year, we've seen the industry adapt to the pandemic, but not all vendors showed up to the table. The tide is turning towards strategic vendors who can advise enterprises on their own transformation as well as execute on it. What are some of the constraints which BPOs face? First off, many BPOs have built systems and processes on transactional systems, which are legacy in nature. These do not provide flexibility, control, or granularity of insights. They take longer to deploy or make changes and do not take advantages of modern technology practices. We saw vendor consolidation and outcome-based models happening, and without a core innovative platform, growth and margins are difficult to achieve on a sustainable basis. BPOs need to have a clear look at their technology portfolio and understand which parts are providing value and which have run off their course, and which may not deliver large incremental value over time. It may be time to consider how your technology portfolio should look over the next few years. Moving to the people who need to create these digital applications, the people with digital skills are not easily available or are very expensive. And if these skills are spread across various different systems, it adds to the complexity and the need for more resources. Finally, the perennial issue with the constant retention, hiring, and training issues, which lead to cost pressures. How can BPOs take advantage of these trends, and how can they capture all the digital spends which are happening and respond with agility? The way forward for the BPOs on building a future-ready workplace is a platform which can accommodate these broad capabilities. The first two are oriented towards efficiency. Work will continue to be a hybrid work from anywhere environment, with adaptability being the key. Automation and AI capabilities will be key to leveraging scale and to manage increased interactions without adding headcount. The next two are focused on effectiveness and outcomes. The role of employees becomes even more important as automation picks up. Agents are still needed to handle complex interactions or those which need a human ear and empathy. They need to be provided tools which help them to manage their day well and to help them to prepare well for the future. Customers more than ever are focused on outcomes, and BPOs need a flexible and scalable platform to help deliver these outcomes. Cloud has existed for the last few years, but last year cloud really showed up and helped many enterprises to continue serving their customers in the middle of the pandemic. Before jumping into our solution, I want to highlight the purpose and vision of Genesys. The purpose of Genesys is to deliver the power of empathy to every experience, and our vision of experience as a service is how organizations can deliver empathy at scale. But how do you actually do it? How do you deliver empathy on every single experience? There are ways. We use new levels of personalization to treat every customer as if they were the only customer we have. We leverage data from across the company, so we never ask people for things we should already know. We use advanced AI to anticipate people's needs and to improve, optimize, and automate experiences. And we learn from every marketing, sales, and service engagement. So every interaction makes people feel better than before. And this is how empathy drives trust and loyalty. The Genesys Cloud Platform is underpinned by our purpose and vision. It's an enterprise-grade solution which delivers faster time to value, as well as helps you to deliver innovative experiences. What is Genesys Cloud? It's an all-in-one cloud contact center solution and a high-velocity innovation platform. It was designed for the cloud from scratch a few years ago. Today, it consists of over 400 microservices and a most modern system architecture. It gives you innovation velocity as it's a highly automated engineering platform. This automation powers our DevOps approach, where engineers not only provision, but also build, test, and secure their code. We push more than 20,000 code changes every year, leading to the delivery of many new innovations every week. Given the pace of this innovation, we made it easy to consume these new capabilities. Customers pick the new capabilities they like and can activate them from within the portal. And for some selected capabilities, they can even do a try and buy from within the application. Genesys Cloud may be relatively new compared to premise solutions, but it is enterprise grade. It's a globally available solution today with presence in 10 different countries and multiple availability zones in each region to maximize resilience. We added a new region in India earlier this year to allow our enterprises to take advantage of cloud while keeping all data within the country and complying to all regulations. And we continue to add new regions around the world every year. It's extremely resilient. In 2020, we achieved 99.997% availability, and you can check our availability anytime on our publicly available trust site. We also support all relevant security standards to maximize the security of and safety of our customers' data. It provides unlimited scalability and is used in some of the largest cloud contact centers in the world. We have customers that run tens of thousands of agents on it by leveraging our cloud regions around the world. And recently, we crossed a milestone of 500,000 users on the Genesys Cloud Platform globally. With the new relaxed BPO regulations in place, Genesys Cloud is here to support you in India and other regions around the world. Finally, Genesys Cloud delivers more innovation to organizations. Our innovation is broad and deep, and the result of our efforts is an integrated portfolio of AI-powered customer and employee experiences. When it comes to innovation, companies are not buying into Genesys alone. They're actually buying into an innovation ecosystem comprising strategic alliances, channel partners, and our own app marketplace. Our strategic alliances with AWS, Microsoft, and Google allows us to integrate their leading applications and to leverage AI capabilities as part of our solution. and also allows for the seamless exchange of data across various solutions. Our marketplace has over 500 different third-party applications, and many of which have click-to-deploy capabilities, which means you can go live within minutes and is already paid for through your subscription. And the last point is critical. Our API-first design allows more than 60% of our customers to innovate, extend, and differentiate their customer and employee experiences. Some build custom UIs, others integrate into their backend systems or expand system capabilities with new functionality. What exactly does Genesys Cloud offer? Literally all you need to deliver exceptional experiences. The key capabilities include digital channels, voice, employee engagement tools, and an open platform which integrates with your ecosystem of applications. I'll close by summarizing how Genesys Cloud helps you to become ready for the future. We've built an open, innovative platform leveraging on our purpose of delivering empathy at scale. This allows you to meet clients where you are and deliver outcomes, irrespective of where your employees are located. Being a cloud-native solution, you can leverage its flexibility, scalability, and agility to realize significant value for your organization. We acknowledge that the migration to the cloud may not be easy, and that is why we've created a prescriptive approach from our experience of migrating thousands of premise customers. We share our best practices and help you make the transition to the cloud in a smooth, time-bound, and risk-free manner. Now is the time for BPOs to embrace cloud and deliver exceptional outcomes. Thank you.